Hello and welcome. It's the fifth part of the free Facebook marketing series, and it's the last part of free Facebook marketing series. After watching the full series, you will learn how to make a Facebook account for free Facebook marketing and how to make some friends who are already very interested on your niche. And if you want to target more accurate specific interested people who are already interested in your niche, then you can just following my secret steps. And the fourth is you will learn how to just talk with them, how to do a good conversation with them, to be friendly to your all traffics, to your all friends. And after watching this video you will learn how to promote a CPA or affiliate offer in front of your all traffic, I mean in front of your all Facebook friends, and how you can generate many impression and sales on your CPA product or affiliate product, CPA offer or affiliate product. So without wasting your time, let's get started. And again, or if you're new on my channel, just subscribe my channel. And we have a very big group of newbies. Actually, I help newbies to earn from online who are already in digital marketing, and I just help newbies to shine in life, because I know the feeling how it feels when someone fails continuously on his work. So if anyone new wants some help to earn from online, then you can connect me. I will definitely help you. So just please subscribe my channel, like my video if you get any help from my video. If you have any question, then just comment on the comment box, and join my Facebook group. Every Sunday I will have a giveaway where I share some paid things free with my all subscribers, all my group members. Just share just to get the giveaway, just join my group, like my Facebook page. If you have any question or if you want to contact me personally, then you just contact me via my Facebook ID. The ID link is in the description box. So let's go to the work. Let's do the work. Okay, in this video I will show you how you can just trigger your traffic to make an action for you. Okay, if you watch my if you just watch my previous video perfectly, then I know you have a Facebook account and you have you have some friends like 500 to 600 or many more friends, I think you have. And if you have the friend, and I know that if you have all those friend, and if you watch my the fourth part of the video, then you also just you already have a little conversion with your traffic. I mean the you already talk to your traffic. And now what you have to do, now you are already a friendly guy with your traffic, I mean with your Facebook friends. Now what you have to do, you have to post effective post to trigger your traffic to make an action. Again I am saying you, please don't spam in market. If you spam in market, market will kick you out. And yes, it must be happen, just because if you help other, if you do good some good for others, then market will appreciate you, and market will keep you market will allow you to keep going. But if you just spam, and if you just don't help other and just want your your what to say, if you just only for your own thing on if you just thinking for your own, and then it's quite bad, and market will definitely kick you out. So what you have to do, you have to choose a very good offer which is very helpful for your traffic. And uh, after completing the offer, or after getting the product, your traffic will say that thank you sir to provide us the offer, or thank you sir to provide helping us. Because if you choose a spam offer, just sign up and go, sign up and go, sign up and go, then it's a very 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 shitty thing. Just I know that's, if your traffic didn't get any help from you, then why your traffic will believe you? Why your traffic next time when you promote an offer, then why your traffic will just uh, what's say why your traffic will just do your action for you? Why your traffic do any type of action just for to get some help from you? So after all those things, what you have to do, you have to help people. And don't spam here, and I don't suggest to spam. To trigger your traffic, what you have to do? To trigger your traffic, you have to just post some triggering and actionful post for your traffic, and it have to be eye-catching and brain-catching thing. Yes, you have to be. It have to be. So now you can say that, sir, how to make eye-catching or brain-catching question which create an impact in people's brain. Okay, to solve the problem, I already said that I suggest you to work in health and wealth niche, and I work with two niches. I already working with two niches, and I I'm going to show you how you can make a impactful, eye-catching, brain-catching triggered post for your traffic, which force your traffic to make a quick action at the moment. So let's see. Suppose you are working with health and fitness. It's a niche where people gets help with your every attempts. Okay, so let's see how you can make a triggerful post with your health and fitness. Let's see. Okay, this I just collected a post where I'm just explaining you that how it's a triggered post. Transformation Tuesday. Start your transformation today. Fat loss and body recomposition. Get in touch to find out more. Yes, the triggered thing in the triggered thing is in the post is the picture. Yes, is the picture, and transformation Tuesday, start your transformation today. It's the triggered picture, and it's the triggered title. And just see that this guy is fat there, and the same guy is little slim there. So yes, it's a very triggered post or brain catching thing. It's brain catching. It's not eye catching, but it's brain catching. When what you have to do after watching the post, you have to fill up the target. That is, you have to create impact in people's brain to make action for you. Okay, so let's see what he already written on his post. So 60 weeks in over 18 kg down, and after okay, let's see. I just make the pop-up. I just have the pop-up to just show the time, just because I when I started talking, and I just mm, talking a lot, so that's why I just hear the pop-up to watch the time, how many time I'm talking with you. Okay, after giving a long description what he said, want a PT session and online coaching is available, you will get a personalized training plan, all the steps, and if you want more information, message me here. Okay, this guys I know these guys use as CPA or affiliate offer, where the CPA or affiliate offer have the personalized training plan, nutrition guidance and education that allow you to flexibility in your diet, access to health and taste recipes, regular check-ins and reviews, access to fitness professional 24/7 for advice, hints and tips. If you want more information, message me here. Okay, this guy just don't share the CPA link directly, and it's a very very good thing. You Facebook just take it as a spam when you just sharing a link. So that's why I don't share the link. I also don't prefer to share a link directly. What you have to do, just make a post and explain it little, and explain those things which is which can able to make impact on people's brain. So and after that they do the same thing. If you want to more information, message me here. And if anyone, not everyone going to reply, just because not everyone will be interested on your niche, on your post. So if anyone interested in your post, and if he really want the solution, then he definitely going to message you. And after a person reply you message you, just talk a little, and what's give some knowledge about it, and after that send the link. If you get no message from your post, then just you have to update your post, just because if you don't get any traffic from your post, that means that your post is not eye-catching or brain-catching thing. That's it. That's how you can promote health and fitness products on your Facebook profile, if your niche is health and health niche. Let's get into wealth niche, and let's see what happened. And this the thing. Okay, okay, this is the thing. Free $408 case study by Art Flair. Free. Okay, then these guys send the link. Okay, I suggest you, if you are working on make money, or sorry, I mean the wealth niche, then please be secure, and or for spamming, just because if you do spam, then no one will trust you. And in the in the money subject of money, everyone have to trust you, just because if you are a untrusted person, then in not everyone will reject you for every post. No one going to make action for you. And if you are trustful person, then everyone will make action for you. These guys make a free at $408 case study by Art Flair. That means this guy is providing a free case study and the link is here. I know this is not a free, it's a paid thing, but what you have to do to make a triggered thing, that is you have to share, you have to in wealth niche, you have to make a base of friends, tons of friends on your Facebook. And after that, what you have to do, you have to make a what say, you have to make some uh, you have to provide some free things which is free. And after providing some free stuffs, and what you have to do, you have to share your affiliated product or affiliate CPA offer in front of the people. And just they are already gets many product from you, so they will may after getting your post, they will make action again for you. And if 600 people get daily free products from you, free things from you, then after 5 days, the 600 people, after 5 days you will you posted same thing, and 600 people again go to your link to make an action for you to get the free product. But this time the product is not free. Yes, the product is not free, but if your traffic purchase the product, and you already promised that if you purchase the product, then I will give you some free stuffs as a bonus. So if there are 600 people make an action for you to visit the link, and I guaranteed you that 115 people or 200 people absolutely make the paid action just because to get the free stuffs, and uh, where just because you are a trusted guy, and they trust you to that they trust you, and they know that you are not going to cheat with them, and or you are a trustful person. You are not going to you are not going to you are not going to waste their money. They trust you, they believe you that you are a trustful person and you are a professional person. You are not going to just waste their money. So that's how wealth niches post trigger a people's mind. In wealth niche you have to make a base, and friends base on Facebook, and you have to build a trust with your all friends to get some profit from it. Yes, you have to build some trust first, then the other. In health niche you also have some have you also have to have some good amount of friends. And in health niche you also need some good effort from you for your traffic, I mean for your friends. You also have to be a trustful person in it. But if you work how I just said in two niches, then I definitely granted you that you are not going to be a failure in free Facebook marketing. And day by day you will grow your amount of money, and day by day you will just make a big amount of money. Free Facebook marketing is it is like a money tree of money. Day by day it will be grown, and day by day your money amount will be grown. So that's it, and I just completed my video, and the free Facebook marketing course is just finished for now. And thank you for supporting me. And if you're new on my channel, just like my videos, subscribe my channel, and if anyone have any question about my video, just go to the comment box and comment your problem or comment your question. I will definitely answer it. And if you want, or if you want to get all the giveaways where I share on my groups every Sunday, then just join my group. The group joining link, Facebook group joining link is in the description, and please like my page. The page link also in the description box. If you want to connect me personally, then my Facebook ID link is also on the description. So it's enough for today. Have a nice day. I am Rabbi Hassan signing off for now, and we will I will see you on my next video with a new course or new lessons. Till bye. Have a nice day and happy new year. Bye.